I don't think you'll get a better concertina for the price. The fact that it doesn't present barriers to playing, having an instrument that gives you confidence and gets you from playing at home out to a nice friendly session environment as quickly as possible is a great thing. And the people that I see playing the Phoenix, I think that happens much smoother and much more quickly. The instrument can respond to what they need to do. It doesn't seem as if the concertina is a more difficult instrument then than it actually is. So I think it's important that playability is there, and that's what I feel you get with the Phoenix instrument. I'm Jack Talty, and I've been playing and teaching the concertina for over 20 years, and this is the Phoenix Concertina by McNeela Music. When Pádraig looked around at the concertina market, I think he noticed a gap because he saw that the prices of concertinas really jumped once you hit the intermediate and advanced level. So he set about to build a concertina that could take you all the way to advanced playing, but without breaking the bank. And I think the result is very impressive. It's the Phoenix Concertina. I'll play a tune called Moss Martin's Jig. So with the Phoenix, Pádraig has refined the design and the playability of the instrument based on years of research and development and listening to musicians' feedback, which I think is really important when designing and developing an instrument. So it's built to play like a really high quality instrument, and I think that's down to the process of making the instrument here. There are multiple prototypes tested by experienced players who know what to listen for and what doesn't feel quite right as a concertina player. So every adjustment from reed response, the internal mechanism to the feel of the buttons, that all comes from hours of hands-on playing and player feedback. I think that is really important. And the result is something that feels really refined because it's been through more refinement than most concertinas have ever gotten. And I think it's the product of so many musicians shaping it into the concertina that they wished they had when they were starting out. So one thing that I really like about the Phoenix and what makes it a great concertina is something that we call traditional riveted action. It's a bit of a technical term, but what it means is it relates to how the levers inside the concertina work. So in practice, what it really means is that riveted action makes it much easier to play the concertina faster. It makes the instrument much more responsive, and I think it's kind of essential really for a smooth playing experience. I'll give you an example of what I mean. So here's just the second part of a hornpipe. The reeds are premium Czech-made hand-finished Tipo Omano steel reeds, and they're the very same reeds used by top-end concertina makers all over the world. They produce a really clear and strong concertina tone. They stay in tune and actually get better with age, and the more you play them. The buttons on the Phoenix Concertina are domed and react really quickly to touch. The bushings here at the base of the buttons makes for a very smooth playing experience. You can see here that the buttons are really responsive. That's really important if you want to get a good flow into your music. All of these intricate mechanisms are housed in what I think is a really eye-catching exterior. And finally, the soft leather hand straps, they really complete the Phoenix for me. So I think the concertina really is in a league of its own. It's light, it's hard wearing, so I think the Phoenix is a really comfortable instrument to play, but it doesn't lose out on durability. When you buy this Phoenix Concertina from McNeela Music, you will receive access to an online concertina masterclass with me, Jack Talty. It features over 10 hours of concertina learning divided into beginner, intermediate and advanced categories. And the idea is that it will take you from a complete beginner all the way up to a level where you're comfortable and confident about your concertina music, regardless of what standard you're at right now. So I'll show you how to play over 30 traditional Irish tunes on the concertina in just 90 days, even if you're a complete beginner. You'll be able to join sessions and play confidently with advanced musicians. For me, one of the major things that holds people back is a poor instrument, because again, what it does really is give a student an impression that it's very difficult, that there are lots of barriers, that the concertina is a very, very tricky instrument. So for me, it's essential that an instrument is easy to play, or as easy as possible, with a good response. And for me, that's what I think the Phoenix does. I'll play another tune on the Phoenix for you now. This is a reel called Imelda Rollins.